This landing page is live, responsive, and ready to share. And I created it with AI without writing a single line of code. Whether you need a page for a product, service, event, or waitlist, you don't need to learn HTML or wrestle with a complicated website builder. Here's the exact process. First, open an AI tool that can generate HTML. You can use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. For this example, I'll use Claude, but the same basic workflow works with any of these tools. Next, paste in this prompt. You can get this prompt in the video description. Instead of asking the AI to guess everything, the prompt tells it to ask you 4 questions: your brand name, what you're offering, the type of landing page you need, and your target audience. The AI will even suggest answer options, so you never have to start from a blank screen. I'll use Backrun, an online course and community platform. Create a product launch page that collects waitlist signups. Designed for SMB owners and sales teams. Once I answer, the AI generates the full page inside one HTML file, including the design, copy, buttons, and responsive layout. The code might look intimidating, but don't panic. You don't need to understand every line. Let's wait a moment for the AI to create the landing page. Here it is. This is the results the AI generated. You can see the landing page looks quite professional and exactly as I requested. If something isn't right, just describe the change in plain English. For example, let's say I want to shorten the headline and add a pricing section. All I have to do is type, "Make the hero headline shorter and add a pricing section." Then I just wait for the AI to generate the updated version. And here's the result. As you can see, the AI shortened the headline and added a pricing section right here. It even included monthly and yearly pricing options, even though I didn't ask for them. Now that we have a landing page created with AI, how do we turn it into a real live website? Normally, we would need to publish it to a hosting service. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it using a Chrome extension called HTML Deployer. This tool lets you publish the HTML code generated by AI as a real website without setting up any hosting. First, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for HTML Deployer. And here it is. Just click Add to Chrome and the extension will be installed. You can also find a direct link to this tool in the video description. Once the installation is complete, go back to the AI tool and refresh the page. As you can see, the extension automatically detects the HTML code for your landing page and adds a deploy button with this rocket icon. You'll also see another deploy button in the top right corner of the preview screen. Next, click the Deploy button to open the tool's control panel. From here, you can click this expand icon to preview your landing page on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Make sure to check the headline, buttons, spacing, images, and forms. If you notice any issues, go back to the code editor, explain what's wrong, and ask the AI to generate a corrected version of the HTML code. Once everything looks good, the next step is to choose where you want to publish the landing page. This tool gives you 4 different publishing options, but in this video, I'll show you how to publish it with Netlify because it's free and one of the easiest options to use. First, click the cloud icon on the screen. The tool will ask you to connect your Netlify account. Click Open Settings to open the connection panel. You'll see detailed instructions here, but you can simply follow along with me. Start by clicking the Netlify tokens link. On this page, change the expiration period from 7 days to no expiration. Then, enter a name for the token. For example, I'll call mine HTML Deployer. Next, click Generate Token. Copy the token that appears on the screen, then go back to the Settings panel and paste it into this field. Finally, click Connect to connect the tool to your Netlify account. And that's it! We've successfully connected the tool to Netlify. Next, go back to the AI tool and click the Deploy button to open the publishing window. As you can see, the tool is now connected to Netlify. From now on, you won't need to repeat the connection process. Here's a quick tip. You can customize the page URL by editing the page name field. For example, I'll remove backrun and keep only Learn, Sell, Grow. This is the name that will appear in the page URL after it's published. Once you're done, click Deploy to Host, and within just a few seconds, the landing page has been published successfully. Now we can copy the URL, open the landing page directly, or get a QR code to share it. I'll click Open Page to see the results. And here's the landing page I just created. As you can see, the page URL has also been updated with the name I entered earlier. One important final step. Open the live link in a private browser window and test every button. If the page includes forms, analytics, scripts, or external tools, make sure they work. And that's it. Choose an AI tool, paste the prompt, answer 4 questions, preview the page, and publish it. What product, service, or idea would you build the landing page for? Tell me in the comments, and I may create a custom prompt for your idea. Then watch the next video to learn how to turn this simple page into a complete AI-built website.